Alam mo kasi, according to him, yun ang sabi sa kanya ng mga developers. Kung baga, he's just restating it. Kinikwento niya lang yung sabi sa kanya. Get it? Hindi sa kanyang opinion eh. From what I gathered from his statement, I asked the developers and the developers said this and that. Oh, edi, actually, hindi personal opinion niya yun eh. It's the opinion of the developers who take these Chinese workers over them or they prefer them.
But sir, ito na lang, yung Malacanang, do you agree or not to his statement?
Again, that's a personal statement of the special envoy.
Hindi po ba siya dapat nag-iingat sa pagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng statements?
I will repeat that. I don't think that is the opinion of Mr. Tulfo. I think he was just relaying what he heard or what was said to him by the developers. Pakinggan mo, tingnan mo may yung statement niya. So, hindi galing sa kanya.
But as far as the Malacanang is concerned, hindi ganon ang tingin ninyo sa mga Pilipino?
Oh, definitely, ang tingin natin siyempre, ang mga Pilipino, talagang masisipag. In fact, ang impression sa abroad, masisipag talaga. Pero, depende rin eh. On a personal level, like me for instance, ako may masipag na worker, meron namang tamad na worker, depende siguro. Pero ang general impression talaga, masisipag tayo. We are preferred in other countries.
So you disagree, sir? Kasi given na yun yung pagtingin niyo. Anyway, sir, would you advise him to avoid making such statements given na...
No, he's a special envoy and he's a responsible man. He doesn't need to be advised.
Deserve pa po ba niya yung posisyon given a special envoy to China siya and he's giving statements against Filipino workers?
Hindi. Ulitin ko na naman. Mukhang hindi naman siya nagsasalita against eh. Inuulit niya lang yung sinabi sa kanya. Bakit ba pinipilit niyo naman kasi siya nagsalita? Sinasabi niya lang, sabi ng mga developers, mga ano raw, kaya ayaw nila, palaging nagbe-break, pumupunta sa toilet. He is not saying that. Tingnan mo maigi yung statement niya. Let's not put in words into his mouth unless he restates it and said, nah, that's also my opinion. Pero hindi naman yun ang pagkabasa ko sa statement niya.
For the record lang, sir, sinabi niya yun sa interview sa TV. So the statements came from him directly. Thank you, sir.
Yes, I know. But I heard him also. Sinasabi niya na galing sa mga developers. Hindi galing sa kanya. Nire-relay niya lang nga eh.
Pia, si Chona muna follow-up din tungkol doon. Chona.
Sir, should Tulfo be disciplined po? Should Tulfo be disciplined po?
Should.
Tulfo po, be disciplined.
Bakit mo may didiscipline? Relaying what he has been told by the developers? I think siguro yung mga, kung totoo man yung sinabi ng mga developers, that should also give us yung kung tayo mga workers na baguhin natin ang attitude natin with respect to our work ethics.
Di ba yun nakakasira, sir, sa image ng mga Filipino workers?
From the point of view developers, yun ang kanila sinasabi.
Thank you, Chona. Pia, Ina, then Joseph, pagkatapos RJ. Pia.
Sir, did you confirm to Tulfo that he was
No,
basically
I
relaying?
haven't talked to him, but I'm basing my statement from what I read. Yung statement niya doon sa column niya.